I'm half cut. Dyeing my hair again. Putting some more red in it to try and keep the pink going. Look at this. Once this fades, it'll go back to blue. So we're making sure that doesn't happen. So we're gonna try this. We having festive drinks all day, and I ate 2, not 1, 2 deep fried cheeseburgers, and they were delicioso. Right, let's see what's in this packet for a start. This is the Schwarzkopf Professional Quality Colour Live Ultra Brights or Pastel, if you're feeling like a wimp. Where's the dye? No danger. No danger. Wait. Someone stole the dye out the box. I opened the box, there was instructions, packet of gloves, and 2 packets of conditioner. See Morrison's? I'm never getting my dye out of Morrison's again. I wondered why it was the only one left too. Well, that's not happening tonight, is it? I don't believe it. Someone stole the dye out of the box. That's it from Half Cut Me. We're buying dye in the morning, I'll see you then. I've got dye now, I'm just running to town to get it. That's why I look a wee bit windswept, because I just went all the way to town to get it, grab it. And then I'm going to dye my hair. This time I went back to my usual direction stuff, but this is in the colour Fire. So if I end up ginger, I'm dyeing it black. I'm in my Jaws t-shirt too. I'm just going to jump right into it because I've been trying to get this done for so long and it's just not happened. So get ready, boys and girls. I just want my hair to be nice for New Year rather than being faded or that horrible green colour. Ooh! Hi, welcome to Greg's. What can I get for you? I almost forgot. Yum! This is my least favourite bit about dyeing my hair, to be honest, but at the same time it works to get it off my face. Same as usual, I'm going to just cover the coloured bits and then go in at the darker bits. So my hair's already, like, it's held the colour pretty well since last time, so I don't need to go too mad. I'm also hoping the red will look good with my shark t-shirt. I've had to do this so many times, I'm already over it, truth be told. I'm going to do the ponytail lines so I don't look like too much of an idiot come New Year. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can tell, but this is a nice colour. This side's more pink and this side's more purple, so there's still an element of split dye under there, but I like it. Pose for a thumbnail. That was terribly cringy. I'll do the roots first and then I'll do these bits just so I can get that line nice and crisp. I have a feeling this is going to be the patchiest ever because I just can't be bothered. Here, my hair's snapping, that's lovely. You know what? I think it's time to start the fun bit. Oh yes. Also, sorry for the lack of posting lately. It's Christmas time, so I'm enjoying myself and not doing much at all. Was considering cutting myself a fringe, but I thought, leave that till New Year, at least. Because I've got curly hair, so I'd be kicking about like I'm like in the 80s. Right, well, that's all the dye out the pot. I'm going to leave this for 20 minutes, half an hour. Oh, look at that. Clicks it. But anyways, yeah, I'll be back in like half an hour? Maybe tomorrow. Who knows? You're not gonna know. I'm just gonna do this. my god. I like to watch that. Hola bambinos! It's the next day and I've just finished straightening my hair. Actually, oh, not done a very good job though, have I? This is the final product. I think it looks very nice. It's got quite a bit of length to it now. I didn't even notice because when it's curly obviously it's way up here, so I don't know.
Hello, it's editing Rianne from in the future. I just realised the entire time I'm talking, the bum of my little green reindeer that I have on the windowsill is just in the shot. And I would just like to apologise because it's not going to go anywhere. I didn't notice at all until right now. I was like, what? But yeah, just deal with it. Okay, bye, thank you.
Also, don't come for me for my lack of makeup. It's New Year's Eve. I'm trying to give my skin a break for as long as possible before having to cake up tomorrow, alright? But I finally got there. I finally got it finished. Because like, it's taken me so long to get my hair dyed this time because the first time my iPad died, oh my god, my tan. Anyway, as I was saying, the first time I tried to dye my hair again, my iPad died and I didn't notice. Second time, that's when the dye was stolen, and now I finally got it done. I didn't return that dye either, just because I used the gloves out of it in the conditioner. That's why I'm filming the next day. I was going to film yesterday once it had completely dried and it was curly because it looked really nice. But because of that conditioner, it was like special protective conditioner for coloured hair. But I put it in and it took my hair so much longer to dry and it felt really like, not oily, but like, I don't know, it felt weird. But it's done now and I'm going to need to re-straighten bits already. I can see bits that I've missed, oh my god. But I don't really care too much. I'm happy for today at least. All ready for the new year, bitch. Yeah. I'll try and get this video out before the new year as my last hair dyeing video of the decade. And then I'll do another one in a couple of weeks when we're in January. My white balance is terrible sitting here, but I like this. I like sitting here more than I like sitting at my desk. But the white balance is just, wait, I learned a trick in media. That's not exactly white because it's been stood on by the dogs and that, but the white balance trick. That'll do. In case you're wondering what this is. It's an Ask an Alexandria signed poster. Signed by the guy that's not Danny Mornsnop, so it's worth nothing. It's fell over on the floor and Sparky stood on it, that's why there's holes on it. Because his little claws have just went. That's all from me. I'll see you next year. Ha 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 ha. I'm gonna go play some Sims 2 now because I finally got it working on my computer and I'm so excited. Okay, bye!